Hey, Welsh Metals here. Today I'll be assembling a sterling silver 925 ring necklace. So there's the ring, no longer bent as you can see. Reworked it, so it's no longer an oval. Got this from the jewellery salvage haul. First one, 01, find that on my channel. And this chain is also from that haul. Somewhat damaged and will need to be reworked, as the bits are all missing and rearranged. So, do that, and I'll have a nice ring necklace. Sterling silver ring at the end. Get a nice angle. There we go. So put that aside. Not too bad condition this. I will need to put this length of chain back on because it has come off. So just be a matter of opening one of these links. This one looks like it to be already slightly opened. Indeed it has. Just use my nail for this as it's quite thin metal. Thread it back on. It's obviously snapped off at some point and is missing a link. Quick fiddly, there we go. And close that back up. That's going to be difficult. To the way the chain is and the size of these pliers. I reckon I could do it. Ah, nice. So, link reattached, as you can see that. It's not even visible. That was a good repair. Needle nose pliers, definitely helpful. So, I'll be keeping this section. We'll make for a nice piece on the back to indicate where that is. I'll put on some split rings again from salvage, from the salvage haul. One already on the other end. I won't have to use that. That'll be for the clasp. Was going to use a gunmetal themed necklace, but it didn't seem right, since I wanted a full use of the salvage haul. Make some more things from the bits that I got from it. It's all quite nice. Put that up on there now. Nice. This split ring's a bit bent. And bend that. And slightly. Much better. Bent split ring. Wouldn't want that. Finished item. There we go. That's really nice. So there we go. Sterling silver ring necklace. Sorry about that. Quite long too. Long length of chain. You can see which part the back is. Nicely marked by that different style piece of chain. Quite nice necklace that turned out. And there's the 925 silver ring. You can actually see the hallmark with this camera. Usually have to use magnification. You can see there the 925 mark, which indicates this is silver. And there's quite a few stones set upon it also, look at them. Most likely crystal, or very, very small, low quality sapphires, maybe. I'll have to look into these, but it's a very nice ring. You can see it's quite old. It has no additional markings about where it was made, its date, or any other production values. I've looked around, look. All you can see is that 925 mark. So, this mystery age ring also I have no idea where it was made, since it has no maker's stamp. Usually you would have some sort of stamp, like it was made in England or Sheffield or Scotland or some place like that, somewhere in the UK. So, nice mystery ring at that. Very nice item, as you can see. I'll put it on, I think, see what it looks like. Give me a second. Doing that. I'm surprised my phone doesn't break. It's a very good phone. It's not even a phone, it's a Uli phone. So, sort of cheap thing. But it has incredible heat dissipation. I overheated it many times. Right. There's the ring necklace. You can see it's quite nice. I can actually see the screen myself. Hopefully it's not all blurry. Don't really like necklaces, but still quite nice, this one. Although I did just make it, so. Well, nothing much left. These are the tools that I used. Well, until next time.